Well, folks, a little Farmtecture update. Getting close to winter. Sometimes you just gotta get stuff done. Gotta get through this wood pile and get her stacked up. And then I can go prospecting, hopefully. This is a tough one. Let's turn it over. Well, folks, you know, I was thinking about just finish up some of that splitting of that wood and stacking some of it up, and I thought, well, you know what, this field has probably never been detected, so I figured, why don't I just give it a shot and see what I can dig up. There we go, there's a nice edge. Oh yeah. Had a target here. Ooh, it looks to be pretty deep. Well, let's see what we can do. Just chip away at it. That's what you got to do. It's a gnarly piece. Well, first target right off the bat. Says it's 4 inches down. That was a low score on the meter. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, gold coin, please. Huh. What is it? And it's a, it looks like a beaver tail from a pull tab. You're kidding me. Yeah, I'm just checking out this field here. I've never done this on my own property before, so who knows what I'm gonna find. Wait, what's that? Oh yeah. I should have bought that wood splitter. Whew. You got a low read there, 9 or a 10. Let's pinpoint it. It says right there 2 inches down, 2 inches down. Let's give it a go. It's probably a bolt off my tractor or a piece of wire fencing, but hopefully it's a Spanish gold coin. This one's a tough one. Okay, get that plug pulled out. Oh yeah, this is gold all the way. It's gotta be. Nothing. Come on, gold. What? Come on. Gold coins, come on, all day long. Gee. It said 2 inches, but it's still there. It's a gold treasure chest full of gold. Oop, that's a shovel. Whoa, what is this? It's a rock, I know that. There's a big old. Ooh, nice green quartz. Oh yeah. Ah, crap, there's no nugget in it. Dang it. Come on, baby, what is this? What do we got going on here? Probably fencing, barbed wire. Any takers? Oh, that's a shovel. Come on, gold. Gold ring from the Egyptians that were here before us. No. Come on. Okay, you're over there now. Come on, gold. No. Man. Wait, what? Oh, wait, what is it? It looks like, I think that's an old piece of some kind of metal. It's heavy. It's like brass, but maybe it's gold. We'll check it out. Oh yeah, I'm winning now. Got a low tone here. Looks like it's about 4 inches down. Let's check and see what it is. 4 inches down. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, gold coin. Anyone? That's what I'm thinking. I'm always thinking oh. This is a burly piece. As you can see, it's fighting me. Getting closer. Oh yeah, it's all gold, I'm sure. Nothing. Come on, baby. We need the gold. The girl needs some new shoes. Come on. It said 2 inches, but come on, like 6 now. Oh, it's in there. Oh yeah, what is it? Piece of wire, I thought, but it was a root. Oh yeah, look at this. What is it? Oop. What the world? Some kind of a piece of, man. That's crazy. Look how clean cut that is. Piece of steel, looks like. And no gold. Ah, crap. Oh, we got a low tone, 16. Oh yeah, it's the deep one, but it's probably the gold. Get this plug out of here. At least I don't have to worry about the landowner, because I am the landowner.
I remember, we have to give away a dinner certificate. Because if we get you and you don't match, you are entered for a weekly $100 worth of dining certificates. So
Let's try that angle.
there is no period of
Nothing. It's like a creek full of white sand. Alright, it said 6 inches. Wait a minute now. You know that's the tone for gold, don't you? Let's just see what we got. There's gotta be a Spanish coin in here. Oh, it's in. We got it in the hand. The first grab. Come on. What is it? And it's a staple. A fencing staple. Yeah, well. Was a low tone. I don't know, folks. This one's about beating you. Well, we'll finish with gridding this section out. But I still got, see those paths I mow? I still got more to go. So I'm just going to keep working this because this field is an old hay field and hardly ever been, I'm sure, detected. So, and the last time it was farmed, I don't know, other than hay, probably hasn't been turned over very much. I mean, before I lived here, or when I moved in here and built my house, it was just all hay field. So who knows? Maybe the old Spanish conquistadors camped out here, whatever they call them. Yeah. All right, folks. Well, on that note, nice September evening. I'll catch you in a few. Oh yeah, speaking of gold, look what I just dug up. Half a bushel of red onion. Oh yeah, stews, chilies, soup, you name her, you can't beat it. Try to peel that off. Nope. Online at thewoodworkershop.com.